Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most profound ancient texts on yoga, the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. You might have heard of yoga as a form of exercise, but did you know it's actually a deep spiritual path with roots going back thousands of years. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, written over 2000 years ago, offer a step-by-step guide to achieving inner peace and spiritual awakening. The Yoga Sutras are a collection of 196 concise aphorisms or sutras compiled by the sage Patanjali. These sutras form the foundation of Raja Yoga, also known as the Royal Path. They aren't about physical postures alone. They explore the mind, the soul, and the journey toward ultimate liberation. The most famous part of the Yoga Sutras is the Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga. Let's break them down. Number 1. Yama. Ethical disciplines like non-violence, truthfulness, and non-possessiveness. Number 2. Niyama means personal observance like cleanliness, contentment, and self-discipline. Number 3. Asana means physical postures, what most people associate with the yoga today. Number 4. Pranayama means breath control, regulating the life force. Number 5. Pratyahara means withdrawal of the senses from external distractions. Number 6. Dharana means concentration, focusing the mind on one point. Number 7. Dhyana means meditation, uninterrupted flow of concentration. Number 8. Samadhi means enlightenment, union with the divine. Patanjali's message is simple yet powerful. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. In today's fast-paced world, the Yoga Sutras are more relevant than ever. They teach us how to calm our minds, live ethically, and connect with our higher purpose. Whether you are new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, Patanjali's teachings remind us that yoga is not just something we do, it's a way of being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know which limb of yoga resonates with you the most. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present,